night. Put that dress down, drown me in your mouth. Slow it down, girl, slow it down. It's gonna be a long night. Put that dress down, drown me in your mouth. Slow it down, slow it down. Can you do it? Slow it down, girl, slow it down. Slow it down, girl, slow it down. Slow it down, girl, slow it down. It's gonna be a long night. Won't let it slide with you tonight. It's been a while, let's get right. We gon' drink some and take flight. It's on us. The mood is set, the vibe is real. I told you I'ma get you, just had to make it feel. Feed for me like I feed for you. Just didn't wanna let you know the truth. It's been a game for a while. You gave me hints, I let them slide. Like I didn't know you want me on your side. I know what you needed and what you want me to do. Tell me how we gon' turn out tonight. You gon' be loving till the night passes by. Slow it down, slow it down. It's gonna be a long night. Put that dress down, drown me in your mouth. Slow it down, girl, slow it down. It's gonna be a long night. Put that dress down, drown me in your mouth. Slow it down, slow it down. Can you do it? Slow it down, girl, slow it down. Slow it down, girl, slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down, girl, slow it down. It's gonna be a long night. I'd rather drink alone tonight. Your wasted got me out my mind. Do you even care about the pain? Or is it my fault that's to blame? Started ripping it up, breaking the clock, giving a fuck about what we saying. It's the difference between playing. Been down for the ride, not for not giving a fuck about how you feeling. It's the difference between us. Feels like you waiting on me to come back to you on some days. To let me know that you've been down for it all, that's what you always say. So should I be without you? Should I be without you? 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 Without you? Without you? I've been feeling like you can't let go, but your body talk is so cold. As the lines of you approach, it's hard to stay afloat. Cause it is never enough when I open up, so I give a fuck about what you saying. There's a difference between us. And when I run away, you don't wanna pay, so you keep me on lock to stay. There's the difference between us. Feels like you're waiting on me to come back to you on some days. To let me know that you've been down for it all, that's what you always say. So should I be without you? Should I be without you? 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 Without you? I should be without you.
guess it's me and you. If I sign a deal, then we can split the gold. Need you in my life to keep away the cold. We can buy the condo with the rooftop view. We can watch the sky turn ivy blue. Always been the one that you want all the time. Used to let Vegas, Georgia on your mind. Open up the gates and let me in your life. You can be the prince and I can be his wife. I never doubt you for a minute. My life ain't worth the fucking stress if you ain't in it. Open up the gates and let the angels sing. Let them play the trumpets when they sing the king. Ain't never doubt you for a minute. My life ain't worth the fucking stress if you ain't in it. Georgia girl, let her in and she changed your world, just like in the movies. Georgia girl, you let her in and she changed your world, just like in the movies. Yeah, we all the way in it. No getting out from this. Can't tell my mom about this. We gotta go, please find a way. We gotta get away. He's all the way in it. He ain't getting out of it. He gets so proud of it. He think about it every day. We gotta get away. Yeah. Open up the gates and let me in your life. You can be the prince and I could be his wife. Yeah. I never doubt you for a minute. My life ain't worth the fucking stress if you ain't in it. Open up the gates and let the angels sing. You could wear the silver crown, but he's not a crown. I ain't let anybody in it. My life don't mean a single thing if you ain't in it. Way on a river, beyond the middle, just past the
I'd rather
mountain.
drink alone tonight. Your wasted got me out my mind. Do you even care about the pain? Or is it my fault that's to blame? Started ripping it up, breaking the clock, giving a fuck about what we saying. It's the difference between playing. Been down for the ride, not one, not giving a fuck about how you feeling. It's the difference between us. Feels like you waiting on me to come back to you on some days. To let me know that you've been down for it all, that's what you always say. So should I be without you? Should I be without you? Without you. Took you back home, undress it slow. Lay you down here, we both let it go. No time for questions and no time for thoughts. No time for talking and no time for more. Now let's rewind and do it all slower. Time for you to fall all over. We've been on this shit for a while, I know. Cause you couldn't name another one than me, though. So you wanna stay with me. Stay with me. Stay with me. Cause you can't let go, so you stay with me. Stay with me. Cause you can't get enough. Stay with me. Stay with me. babe, that's okay. Babe, that's okay. But I can't blame you that you wanna stay. Desire running through your veins. You wrap your hands around my head, hoping this shit won't never change. Now let's rewind and do it all slower. Time for you to fall all over. We've been on this shit for a while enough, cause you couldn't name another one than me though. So you wanna stay with me. Stay with me.